Hey, better hide the cheese. Now, don't scream. I think there's a mouse in the house. Hi guys, my name is Jude Chong and I'm a balloon artist and kids entertainer from the land below the wind. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this cute little balloon mouse. Right, so let's get started. Hi guys, so to make a balloon mouse we need one 260 balloon, any color of your choice, and of course our balloon pump. Right, so step number one is you're going to put the nozzle here, okay, on the tip of the balloon pump. And for this tutorial we are going to pump about 2 pump, okay, 1 2 pump. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside, release a bit of air, and then we tie the balloon like so. Okay, so the next step is we're going to do the nose of the balloon mouse. Okay, we're going to make about 2 finger bubble. Okay, here, then we twist 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next is we're going to make the ear of the balloon mouse, so we are going to make another 2 finger bubble. Okay, 2 finger bubble here. Okay, we're going to match it, and this 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we're going to lock it 1 and 2. So we're going to get this. All right. Okay, for the neck of the balloon mouse we make about 2 finger bubble, and then we twist 1 2 3 4 5 6. The next one, for the leg of the balloon mouse, we're going to make another 2 finger bubble, and then we're going to match it, and then we're going to twist it 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we're going to lock it 1 and 2. We're going to get this. Okay, the next thing is we're going to do the body of the balloon mouse. So we're going to make about 2 finger bubble for the body, and then we twist 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next we're going to make the leg, the last part here. We do about 2 finger bubble, twist 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we're going to match it, twist here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we're gonna twist it, lock here. Our balloon mouse is completed. Alright guys, so if you like this balloon tutorial, okay, so please comment at the comment box down below and give it a like. Alright, so if this is the first time you come and visit to my channel, and don't forget, to subscribe to my channel by clicking at the subscribe button, click at the bell, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will get a notification when I upload a new video. This is not goodbye, and see you next time.
Hello, hello, is it okay at the studio today? Hello? Hello? Okay, I think it's okay. Okay for today. Bye.